play and sing a song? What should we sing? Should we sing Mary Had a Little Lamb?
Do we press the middle one to play it?
I don't know, do we?
Oops, this one plays Jingle Bells.
That does sound like Jingle Bells.
Now let's try again. Is that Mary Had a Little Lamb?
I'm not sure. We need to learn how to play it, don't we?
Watch this, Mom. What was that?
I don't know, but I like it.
Was that a Christmas song?
Was it?
Hmm?
I like it. Is it your song? Did you make it?